You did everything right. You picked your niche, you posted consistently, you studied the gurus, and you're still invisible. Please listen closely. The problem was never your niche. Cheers. I ran my research system on my own niche this week, and I pulled every breakout video from 16 channels. And the winners had something in common that has nothing to do with what topic they picked. Almost everybody is diagnosing wrong. Give me 10 minutes and you'll know exactly what your content's been missing, and you'll be able to test it on your own last 10 posts before this video ends. Hey, what's up? I'm Cam. I grow an audience of 250,000 followers. I run a content creator influencer program for a big brand, and now I teach creators how to grow their socials and make money doing it. So I have seen this exact pattern from both sides of content creation. Here's what a niche actually does. A niche tells people what posts are about, all right? Fitness, finance, music, growth, whatever it is, that's it, and that's all it does. But think about why you follow the creators that you follow. It's not the topic. There are 10,000 creators on every topic. You follow them because of how they see it, what they're willing to say, what they've lived. A niche tells people what you post, and identity tells them why they should stay. And something happened in the last 18 months that turned this from a nice to have into life or death. AI happened. Every creator in your niche now has the same idea machine. Type your niche into ChatGPT, ask for 30 content ideas, and you're gonna get the same list as everyone else who typed that niche and asked for content ideas. The topic layer of content is now infinite and it's identical. So when your content is not only a niche, when it's a topic with no point of view, you're not competing with creators in your niche anymore. You're competing with infinity, and infinity is free. So here's your test. Could anyone else have made this? Pull up your last 10 posts. Ask one question about each post. Could anyone else in my niche have made this? And be honest. If the answer is yes 10 times, that's why you're invisible. It was never the niche. There's just no you in it. What's separating you from the rest of social media if you're not the only one doing it?